Over here we have a different brand cupboard where the shelves also slide out so you can pack your stuff there conveniently. Then what is over here? Oh, it's one of those special shelves that can go down to make it convenient for us to pack our stuff away. Then let's look what is over here. Oh, a similar shelf. Look at it. It's got springs or something because it doesn't fall down. It goes down slowly. Then over here, what is this? Oh, it's a extra shelf, and at the same time it closes the top part of the cupboard so you can store your stuff there and only open it when you use it. Perhaps put a cup of coffee here. Then,
电动。
here we go. Look, then how nice is that? So when you want to use it, you drop it down, you use it, and then when you're done, you simply touch it again, and then it goes up. What do we have over here? Oh, it's drawers for storing cups, cool drink. Over here is the place to store spoons, chopsticks. This place is for plates. Probably you can put some sauces there. Now, what is this? Why doesn't this one come up? Oh, this is nice. This shelf is very convenient to use. Over here we have a big cupboard.
cho nên bạn bán hàng ngày này vậy thôi.
Oh, look, if we open the doors, we can actually take them and slide them inside so they're not in the way. And it's very convenient to use. There's no door that you can bump into. Over here, we have some under-counter cupboards. Now look at this shelf. You can pull out this shelf, then this side can move over. Then you can pull out this side too. So this shelf actually sits behind here. It's quite amazing to use it. Look at that.
Ồ.
What do we have here?
Yes, maybe next.
Here we have a cupboard where you can store some sauces, and the drawers inside the drawer can also slide. Look at that. And over here is the garbage box here. Can this garbage box be removed? Oh, okay.
Yes.
What is on top here? Oh, it's like a lid. Maybe you can put your plastic bags here. Then over here, we have a sliding shelf. You put your cleaning stuff inside. Then you can conveniently pull it out and put it back.